can. They're all in line. And they're off. Perfect start. Keene Road broke on the money. Firebrook is showing speed, and Melverton is very fast from the inside. It's Melverton with Firebrook right alongside, and these two head out for the early lead. Little Man is 3 wide, Keene Road 4 wide, and Cat Me If You Can is 5 wide entering the turn, while Seamount saves a little bit of ground, and he's all the way up to within 2.5 lengths of the lead. So Melverton leads it from Firebrook, who presses from the outside. Melverton, Firebrook, these two go at it as they go to the back stretch. Cat Me If You Can is widest of all and up joint third right now. Little Man is between runners. Seamount is in behind them, and these first 5 just covered by about 2.5 lengths. Keene Road actually broke on the money, but he's taken back to the back of the pack. The quarter was fast, 23 seconds flat for Firebrook and Manuel Cruz as they run to the half-mile mark. It's Firebrook who now leads it clearly, but here comes Seamount to press him. And Firebrook, but Seamount almost right alongside. They move away from Melverton, who's now 3 lengths back in third. Cat Me If You Can is coming under a hard ride, and he is going the wrong way. Keene Road just went right by him. The half was 47-3, and they move around the far turn. Seamount trying to go by Firebrook. It's Seamount and Wesley Henry now taking the lead. Firebrook's got to do better. He is losing ground at the quarter pole. Melverton runs third. Keene Road suddenly coming under the whip, and all the while Seamount is getting away. Seamount turns for home, opening up now to lead it by 4, maybe 5. Firebrook is all out in the second spot. Melverton runs third. Keene Road the far outside. Nobody gaining on Seamount as they come to the final 16th. It's all Seamount today at big odds, and he's going to win it by a big margin. Seamount down to the line. He'll win it by about 8. Going to be very tight for place and show, either Firebrook or Keene Road. Melverton was 4th.